Hello, everybody. It's Max with Crypto Talk now. XDC received a really positive catalyst in regards to what is going on with them within the last few days. News broke actually today in regards to that positive catalyst. Without further ado, let's jump into what exactly that is all about. So, as we can see right here, this was listed actually straight from ibsintelligence.com that highlighted what's going on with this. So, TradeTech is to securitize trade finance receivables on the XDC network. TradeTech, a World Economic Forum member, has selected the XDC network to launch traded tokens, the first ever fully regulated trade finance backed fungible security tokens. The move is expected to deliver significant liquidity to the trade finance sector by securitizing a traditionally illiquid asset class on the XDC network, a public decentralized blockchain. All right. Going a little bit further, I'm not going to read everything verbatim. This launch is an important move in the democratization of trade finance through XDC's enterprise-grade blockchain technology. By investing in trade finance, which historically has been restricted to banks and larger institutional investors, wow, think about that for a moment. Private investors can now invest in the real economy. The XDC network is our chosen blockchain to develop this system, and XDC is the only crypto asset that can be used to purchase Trada. Okay, you may think, well, I don't know who that is. What's the big deal? Why is this so significant? Take a look into this. What is TradeTech, all about? So TradeTech is, like it says right here, it's built for banks, right? Now we see things like this, right? You think about the whole concept of ISO 222 and how significant that is, right? So when we hear that, like, for instance, the likes of like XRP and whatnot, and how, they are going to basically replace the old Swift model with the new model, right? And the likes of Quant, for instance, cross-border payment systems and all of that, right? Sounds amazing, but check this out, right? TradeTech bridges the technology gap in the $15 trillion trade finance market. How much volume did they take in? 1.5 billion process volume, 30,000 plus invoices financed, 5,000 plus corporates funded, right? Talk about a little bit of their technology, right? So when you think of that big influx of money that we're always talking about when it comes to ISO 222, right? You think of things like this. And heck, they even highlight it. TradeTech has been certified to the ISO 27001 :213 and ISO 9001, standards and so on. On top of that, they recognize ISO 222 to say the least. So I know some of these terms can get kind of confusing at times, but it's worthy to point out when you see what? The money, right? That's the bottom line. When in doubt, follow the money, right? And as also the saying goes, time is money. You always hear that term thrown around many times over the years, especially as you're getting older. So these are the key things that I wanted to point out, to say the least. And of course, you could read up more about TradeTech, but for XDC to be, as it says right here, again, the chosen blockchain to develop this system, and XDC is the only crypto asset that can be used to purchase Trada, man, I think that's awesome for XDC, for one. And two, again, follow the money. Like, you could literally see, like, as I would always say, the writing on the wall. So, guys, that is the latest in regards to this positive catalyst for XDC. I think this is going to be absolutely great. And if anything, once we get more news developments on any ISO 222s, well, specifically what we cover here, Quant, XDC, XRP, we'll definitely bring it to you. So thanks for watching today's video on XDC. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. May all have a blessed day, and we'll see you on the next one.